Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you a couple of different ways how you can insert rows and even multiple rows inside of Google Sheets. We'll go ahead and start with a basic spreadsheet like this. Now say we need to add another entry in a certain spot between two other rows. We have a couple of different ways that we can do this. Select a row on the far left here, for example 6. If we want to add a row above 6, the quickest way is to right click and then choose Insert One Above. And likewise, if we wanted to add one below, just right click again and choose Insert One Below. If you're more of a menu line user, you can access both of these by choosing Insert at the top menu, and then both options can be found inside of there. Next, we'll look at how to add more than one row. First, start with how many that you want to add. Let's say we want to add 5 rows. Click on the beginning or ending row number on the left and then drag up or down 5 rows like this. Now right click on one of the rows and you'll see Insert 5 above or below instead of 1 this time. I'll choose Insert 5 above and will now have 5 empty rows above my selection. And again, if you're a menu user, the option will be the same in the Insert menu drop down above. And finally, a real quick tip, with the keyboard shortcut F4, you can quickly repeat your last operation. This is nice if you want to go through real fast and insert rows in random spots. So I'll start by clicking on 5, choose Insert One Above, and now go where I want to add different rows and tap F4. It will then automatically add a row above my selection. And that's how you add multiple rows inside of Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.